Hey guys, good morning. What's up? How is everybody doing? Post Christmas, post New Year's. It's been a wild ride. When I mean wild, I mean that I don't know what the days have been. I'm just here. We are done with Christmas. We are done with New Year's. It's a new decade. It's a new year. I don't know. It's kind of crazy to think about. It went by really fast. I think I had a good holiday season. I spent time with my family and went to Florida, went to Tennessee, so that was fun. Now I'm back home in Texas, and I'm off of work today, which is awesome. So I kind of have a vacation from the vacation, because I don't know about you guys, but when I go somewhere, whether it's like home to see my parents or a friend trip or something, I always feel like I need a vacation from that. Like I need a couple of days just to get myself together. I can do my errands, get my groceries, you know, all that kind of stuff. As you can see, I am fresh out of bed, literally. I'm about to just like get ready to go out. I just have a bunch of errands to run today. It's a beautiful day outside. It's like sunny and 70s. So yeah, I just need to run a bunch of errands today. I need to go to the bank. I need to go do grocery shopping. That's like number one on my list. I need to go to Ulta. I really want to go get my mom a Juvia's Place concealer for her under eyes. I feel like I tried on J9, the color that I use, on her. I think it was a good color when she sets it with powder, but I think it's a little bit too bright. So I want to get her the color, one color below. So I'm going to get that for her today. So it's already kind of mid-afternoon, so I need to kind of get my butt up and get ready and get out of here and run my errands. I also hate it because it gets so dark so early now. So when it's like 5 o'clock, I'm like, 5 o'clock, I'm in my house. I am not leaving. So I want to get my stuff done ASAP. But yeah, so I'm just, like I said, basically got up right now. I've been cleaning the house most of the morning. You know, I just like love a good declutter. I just love to kind of like get rid of stuff, take out the trash, disinfect counters. I like washed all my sheets, my comforter, my like mattress pad, like all that stuff, and vacuumed, disinfected, cleaned, all that good stuff. So I just feel so good. So now I just want to like go out, do my thing, and come home so I can make dinner. I'm gonna make this like, I think I'm gonna make like a creamy Parmesan shrimp dish tonight for Chris and I, with like some brown rice and some green beans. To me that sounds really good. And have that like creamy sauce on the rice with some fresh green beans that are like sauteed well, not too soft, not too crispy. I say these things, but will I do it? We'll see. Okay guys, let me stop talking. I'm just gonna fast forward through this part, do my makeup real quick, you know, just a very soft, light thing just to kind of go out and bring some life to my face. And I'll check with you guys soon.
I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Every day, once a day, give yourself a present. Don't plan it, don't wait for it, just let it happen. It could be a new shirt at the men's store, a cat nap in your office chair, or 2 cups of good, hot, black coffee. Like this.
A present. Like Christmas.
Oh, man, that is the spot. Nothing like a great cup of black coffee. let you in on a little secret. Every day, once a day, give yourself a present. Don't plan it, don't wait for it, just let it happen. Could be a new shirt at the men's store, a cat nap in your office chair, or 2 cups of good, hot, black coffee. Like this.
It's the present. Like Christmas.
Oh, man, that is the spot. Nothing like a great cup of black coffee. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Every day, once a day, give yourself a present. Don't plan it, don't wait for it, just...
Okay, makeup is pretty much done. As you can kind of see from the preview, I just did like concealer. I did like an all over concealer, highlight concealer under my eyes, set with powder and some bronzer. It's like a very plum berry blush. Mascara, I did eyeshadow, was like a very brown. It was almost like a little bit too muddy for me, so I kind of warmed it up with like an orangey shade in the crease. What else? And then I used Fenty Beauty Gloss. I bought a newer shade. I bought the shade Fussy instead of the original one. It's a little bit more pink than I usually go, but I think it still looks good. It's very close to the original Fenty Gloss shade, so it's good for like dark skin. So I think it would look good with a lip liner, but today I just put clear gloss, so if I need to touch up, super quick and easy. And then of course I went with my staple mascara, which is a L'Oreal Voluminous. This one is a brown one, but for my eyes I used a Carbon Black. And then of course I set it all with the Morphe setting spray, which I really like. So yeah, that's what we're about to do for today. I need to get the heck out of here. I swear, whenever I'm like running errands, I take forever to get ready. It's like, what am I doing? I'm like running errands, no one's gonna see me. But I just always take forever to get ready. Like I'm literally going to like 2 places, nowhere serious. So, okay, let me get out of here. I'm gonna pick out what I'm gonna wear, grab a water bottle, my phone, all that stuff, and get out. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna bring in my purse for the day. Just a pair of sunglasses. I think I got these from Target. They're pretty cool. I kind of bent them a little bit, but you can't tell when I wear them, but I love the color of them. Of course, my phone, my wallet. I got this as a Christmas gift this year. I think it's a pretty cute wallet, so I am excited to test it out. And it has like a little back pocket back here. Keys, of course. Water bottle. I always bring a water bottle with me everywhere I go. I'm so bad at drinking water, like really bad at drinking water. So I try to bring a water bottle with me everywhere I go, so it forces me to drink the water. And then lastly, we have Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I literally bring this gloss bomb with me everywhere I go. it's just the perfect color. It's a perfect shade. This is the shade Fussy. It's like the more pinkish shade. So this is my first time using it. I like it so far. It's not too far off from the original shade, but I bring this with me everywhere I go because it's just easy to top on anything. Your lip gloss, not your lip gloss, your lipstick, or just your bare lips. I love it. So I'm going to fit all of this in my purse, and we'll be set. Okay, this is what I have on. Nothing special, of course. I got this pullover at Old Navy. I'm not usually a pullover kind of gal, but I really like this. I think it was like on sale on Black Friday for like 15 or so bucks. And I was like, I can definitely get this. It's like a maroon color. The lighting here is not that great because I'm like facing basically behind the light, but it's a maroon color. You can like pull it up to be like a turtleneck if it's really cold out. So yeah, I just put that on top of a white t-shirt. And then I got these sweats, I believe at Target a while ago. And they cusp at the end, which is really important to me with joggers. Like I hate sweatpants that kind of flare out the bottom, so I love these. They kind of cuff right at the ankle, and they go cool with my Ultra Boost. I love these Ultra Boosts. Oh my gosh, I got these for like 80 or so bucks at the mall a couple months ago, and I'm obsessed. I really want another pair. They're just the most comfortable sneakers, and I get the hype around them now. Before I was like, what is the hype around Ultra Boost? Like, people are just, you know, talking too much about it. But I don't know, I approve. I love them. They're so comfortable. Yeah, just got some hoops on. I'm about to get out of here. For real, I'm literally gonna leave the house. It's like only 2 hours later, but I'm finally gonna leave the house.
I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Every day, once a day, give yourself a present. Don't plan it, don't wait for it, just let it happen. It could be a new shirt at the men's store, a catnap in your office chair, or 2 cups of good.
Hey guys, what's up? It is your girl Alex. I look like an absolute hot mess right now. That is because I just left the gym, and I want to say I'm pretty proud of myself. I haven't been to the gym in several months. I was doing super good early last year, and then I just kind of fell off track. But now I told myself, new year, you know, it doesn't necessarily have to be new me, but, you know, just at least try. All it is just to try. So I just finished, I basically just walked on the treadmill for like 40 minutes just to get my heart going and flowing. So I'm gonna go home, take a shower, and yeah, we'll see what we do for the rest of the day. I'm kind of feeling like a lazy Saturday. I don't have too much energy right now, especially after working out for the first time in a really long time, but we'll see. Besides that though, it is like literally the most gorgeous day ever outside. Like the sky is perfectly blue. The sun is out. It's not hot, but it's not chilly. Whew, it's beautiful. But I'm out of breath. As you guys can see, I did not do a great job of closing out this vlog, but thank you all so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Let's make 2020 our year. In the meantime, y'all like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, share with a neighbor, and I'll catch y'all in my next video.